5-second rule, how to play. The object of the game is to collect the most cards. Place the card box and timer on the table. Determine how many rounds you will play. For larger groups, play 2 or 3 rounds. For smaller groups, play 4 or 5 rounds. Pick a player to go first. That player is in the hot seat. The player left of the hot seat draws a card and reads it aloud. All cards begin with Name 3, followed by a random category. As soon as the card is read, start the timer by flipping it. The player in the hot seat has 5 seconds to give 3 answers based on the card. If they succeed in giving 3 correct answers before the balls reach the bottom, then they can collect the card in front of them. If they fail to give 3 correct answers in time, then the next player to the right has 5 seconds to answer. However, that player may not repeat any previously given answer. Play continues to the right until a player gives 3 unique correct answers. They then collect the card. If play gets back to the original player without anyone getting 3 in 5 seconds, then the original player gets the card by default. The player to the right of the original player becomes the new player in the hot seat, and another card is drawn. This process repeats until you have reached the predetermined number of rounds. Then, the player who collected the most cards wins. If there is a tie, then the tied players face off in a tiebreaker round. Take special note that the 5 seconds is up when the balls stop moving, not when the zoop sound effect is heard. If there is any concern with an acceptable answer, the group decides if it counts, and they are allowed to look things up online if they want.